Hey guys, look what I got for my birthday yesterday. My birthday party. And they're two little Star Wars Nerf guns. They're like Nerf guns, but they aren't in the Nerf brand. I like them. I'll show you the other one first. So, as you can see, this is the shape of them. The scope, it's nothing. It's just a clear tube. I mean, a see-through tube. There's no aiming thing, but you know, they're pretty cool. We got dart storage in the bottom of the handle, and like I said, I got them for my birthday, so I don't know how much they cost and where they came from. So here you just cock them back right here, and then you can pull the trigger, and it's load back in like that. So then you see if I can. Okay, let's reload. Shoot 2 more times. Remember, they don't have really good ranges. I mean, they're okay. Probably 25 feet max. 25. I don't know. I'll show you. I'll try to aim down my hallway. Okay, as you can see, it didn't go very far. So now, I'll show you the blue one. So the blue one is obviously way cooler to some people. The grip is much better on this one because it's rounded, and this one's square, so it's really not comfortable on the hand, but that's okay. I guess it's okay. I don't know. His gun, for some reason, there's a little hole up here. I don't know what that's for. If you know what it is, leave a comment telling me what it is for. I think it's just for show. And so the bullets here are blue, looking like that. You have back the whole entire gun like just like a scout for Nerf. Again, dart storage in the bottom of the hand. Again, dart storage in the bottom of the handle. And it's really hard to pull the trigger down. It's like, it's a challenge. I don't know. Let's shoot it down the hallway again. This one. I don't know if you can see him. I don't know. That landed right here. Okay, I don't know if you can see me, but so there's one more bullet, and I don't need to shoot it. They're pretty cool looking guns. I like this gun better, but this is better range. It's easier to pull the trigger, and it's got a better handle. So technically this is a better gun. But the look of this gun is just way better to me. I just love it. So it's like kind of like dart tag. It's kind of like dart tag because you got the 2 different colored darts, and it comes with 3. So you can be like, haha, I got you, haha, blue win. Like, it's really hard to pull. I'll show you how long it takes to pull the trigger, like when I'm actually trying to pull the trigger. See if I... And start. There. I was trying, and it was hard. My dad said we could spray paint me sometime. That has nothing to do with how hard the trigger is to pull. Anyways, those are my 2 Nerf guns I got for my birthday. If you want to ask me any questions about this slinky or anything about these 2 little guns.